Welcome to episode 17. This episode is dedicated for solving the episode number 17, scenario number 17 problem. Let's go to the 17th scenario. We have already resolved 16 scenarios in the previous examples. So in this scenario, we're going to write the trigger to prevent the users from deleting the contacts having the related accounts. That means the trigger should fire in the contact object, and it should check in every contact records before performing any delete operation if it has the account ID or if it has the account related accounts. And in that case, if it has any account related, that should stop user from deleting that records. So let's just fill out our form. Things to remember: trigger type is before, trigger context is before delete, and the object is contact. So let's go to the developer console. This is the previous scenario, scenario 16. Now let's go and navigate to the Apex trigger section. Here, keep a meaningful name for the trigger. Object is not account now. So pick the object name, which is contact. Here's the object, contact object. We have both name and s object. So hit submit. Your trigger is ready now. Trigger is scenario 17, and the trigger is a contact object, and this is before delete. Since the trigger type is before and we are preventing the delete operation, we're firing the trigger on delete operation. So let me specify the trigger context. Trigger dot is delete, and trigger dot is before. So our trigger should fire before deleting any contact records. So we specified that. So here, what you need to do is, let me pull up all the contact records by using the for loop. Let me iterate those contact records which are already existing in the contact object. So it will pull and iterate all the contact records that are already existing in the contact object. In every contact object, what we need to do is contact.account ID, and that should not be null. If any contacts which account ID field is not null, in that case, what you need to understand is, if the field is not null, that means there is some record existing. So account ID field had some record. In that case, what you need to do is contact.add error. We should throw an error message that cannot be deleted as it has the related account. Okay, so it has the related accounts. That's the reason why the trigger is not letting you delete the contact records. So let's go and try to delete that. Let me go to the contacts. Let me open it. Testing. Does it have the account? Yes, it has the account, related accounts. Let me go ahead and perform the delete operation and see if that allows us. Hit delete button. See, it will throw an error message that is cannot be deleted as it has the related contacts. Since it has the related contacts, and our trigger, our problem is saying that stop user from deleting the contact records which has the accounts, and this trigger is stopping users from deleting any contact records which has the related account record. So we have successfully executed the scenario number 17. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next episode.